everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to describe about a system which I made in using NetBeans, XAMPP server and Java language. Okay. Uh, Firstly, I'm going to open. Yes. Now starting recording. Firstly, I'm going to open XAMPP server and then click admin, again admin. Now I'm going to open NetBeans IDE. Okay. In NetBeans IDE project section, uh, here you can see my project called hospital. Then click. You can see in source package uh, having control model and view packages. In this called MVC architecture. In view section, all are interfaces or we can call front end. In model, back end and control front end and back end link together. Okay. Now I'm going to run my system using the reception domain. Okay. File. Here you can see my reception login page. Bottom you can see real-time updated date and time, username field and password. If you have already account, you can enter and login. Now I'm going to create new account. Clicking. I'm going to create a new account. Chamit. Thus, okay. Contact number. Again, username. Chamit. Password. Chamit. Sorry. Chamit 123 and again confirmation password 23 and then click register. Okay, here you can see pop-up message details has been created. Okay, now we are going to login reception. Chamit 23, then click login. Here you can see my reception homepage. Here patient details, doctor details, manage patient, register patient, channeling and view all doctors. I am going to describe about one by one. Firstly, I am going to register patient. Click here. First name, I am going to insert Hiruni. Last name, Herath. NIC number is 19. Okay, date of birth. Then click email, then address. Then insert contact number. Okay, then select blood type. I'm going to select O positive and then click submit. You can see here again pop-up message. Details has been inserted. Okay, before I clear that thing, I'm going to copy NIC address. Okay, then I'm going to clear and go home. Here you can see patient details. I'm paste that before I copied ID and click search. Here you can see new interface called view patient details one. You can see uh, patient details are displaying like this. Then click again home. Uh, then I'm going to manage patient. Okay, again copy paste uh, patient details. Okay, after clicking search option displayed, I entered things and I'm going to change something, uh, contact number. Okay, then I'm going to click update. Details has been updated. Okay, now I'm again paste nick number. Again click search. You can see already that contact number is updated. Here you can see in my backend databases. I created 5 tables in my system. Reception details. Okay. Here you can see my reception details. Patient details. Okay. Here you can see I entered last patient, Hiruni, Hera, female, and etc. Contact number is updated. Okay. Now I'm going to delete uh, this patient in my database. Okay, I'm going to click delete button and here you can see customer has been deleted. Pop-up message is coming. Okay, then click OK. Now I'm paste again customer identity card number and search. Again pop, patient doesn't exist. Okay, that's how delete option is work. Now we are double check again into my database. Okay, you can see last I entered patient is already deleted. Okay, I'm going to back here and log out here, and I'm going to log as a doctor. I'm going to click doctor's login here. Okay, then if you already have doctor account, you can use username password like before thing. Now I'm going to create a new doctor account. I'm going to create new. Okay, doctor name is Mithun. Nick number is, then register number is, okay. Eligibility, yes. Specialized in, I'm cardiologist. Okay, contact number 71. 6493 and username Mithun. Password is Mithun123. Again, confirmation password Mithun123. Then click register button. Okay. Now, again, pop-up message has come. Detail has been inserted. Okay, and then click OK. Now we are going to look my database, doctor details. As you can see here, you can see that doctor account. Here you can see the doctor account has been created. Okay, now I'm going to log in as a doctor. Enter username and enter password 123. Then click login. Okay. In doctor interface, you can see search option 3, view patient details, view patient history, uh, and clinic type searching clinic type. I'm going to describe one by one. I'm here view patient details. Okay, before searching, I'm going to copy patient details and patient. Likewise, I'm going to copy and paste here and then click search. Now you can see another pop-up window, and you can see as a doctor patient details. Then click home. Then again click patient history. Then search. Patient has no history. Looks like that person is new patient to this clinic. Okay, this is clinic types. Then click iClinic and search. Here you can see in iClinic patient before. Okay, now I'm going to enter reception login again. Reception. Okay, let me my reception. Reception username 123. 123. Login. Okay. I described manage patient and register patient. Now I'm going to talk about channeling section. Okay, then click channeling. Here is my channeling manager interface. You can channel doctor. Okay. Okay. As a patient, you can channel online or otherwise. Nick number. Okay, select clinic here, dental clinic, date, time. Okay, time. Then amount. You are filling this channeling manager system as a reception. Okay, then click submit. Then again pop-up message details has been inserted. I'm going to click OK. Then click print. Bill is printed. Pop-up message is. I'm going to go home. I'm going to log out here. I'm going to log in as doctor. Sorry. Then click enter. Now you can now you can see as a doctor uh, which clinic I have. I have how many patient I'm going to meditate. Okay, like first I'm going to click dental clinic and search as a doctor. Okay, here you can see two patients has been already booked uh, clinic. As a doctor you can see that. That's all, thank you. Now I'm going to give little explanation of my controllers, models and views section. Delete here you can see control in controller. uh, you can see delete, insert, login, update. Okay, added record in added record class, and inside class, inside method. Okay, these are double OP concept. I think you guys already knew this thing. These are related. These all are related to double OP concept. Okay. Now I'm going to wind out my explanation. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.